Hey guys, I hope everyone is good. Today I'm so excited to open microgreens. Now this day we're gonna make open microgreens and see what happens to our new plants we're doing. It's the back side of this. Now get all the plastic out. And that's done. And open it. Now you take all of these things on my back. Got about this mustard, and this is lettuce. Wait, lettuce. And this is the tray with holes in the back. And we pick up another tray for putting water on these things, putting our seeds and mustard and lettuce. Now you take water and put it, more water, and you put medium of it. That's done. Now you can put mustard. You cut open, it's open. Then we put mustard. And take that pin out. Putting on the mustard. Now you take lettuce. Lettuce, and you pour in. That's done. Now need a tray and need cocoa pit. Now need scissors, cut it. And need to open it. Gonna put cocoa pit. Put the cocoa pit on our back. Then you need to make this like perfect with our hands. You need to rub and you spray. Put it right there. Wait for some time. And you spray it. And this is the seeds. Take the water off. Then you need to put the seeds in your get that things away. The seed, all of it. Pick up. Put mustard and lettuce on the ground. Now this would look like in the next day this happened. There's plants growing. And this what it looked like. And the other day plants grown much more longer. And next day, third day our 30 plants got a lot of growing. And before looking on 4 days, we got, okay, now looks like, now the 4 day looks like this. Bye. I hope you like my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell button, and bye.